Hello everyone, if your Black Ops 7 keeps crashing on launch, it won't launch on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Black Ops 7 crashing on startup easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, you're going to go into app data, you're going to go into this folder called local, and here you should have a folder named Activision, so just go ahead and delete that folder and go back then and go into roaming and check if you have the Activision folder here as well. If you have it, delete it from here as well, and then go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write your graphics settings. You're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go into Black Ops 7's directory. So I don't have Black Ops 7 installed on my computer, so I'm going to use PUBG as an example. And then you're going to find Black Ops 7 from this list. This one, for example, you're going to click onto this GPU preference and set it to high performance. And after that, you can go ahead and play Black Ops 7 and you'll see that your game won't crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.